evening junkies. Welcome to EminiJunkie.com, your ES Trading Mentor's free trading video for Thursday, July 15th, 2010. Today we had a total of 6 executable trade signals for a max potential of 10 ES ticks. This video is for educational purpose only, is intended to highlight our high probability trade setups, give you a feel for the quantity of trades taken each trading day using this approach. A full trading plan and daily live trading room can be accessed at our website at EminiJunkie.com. Okay, this morning we had one of our high probability pre-market half gap setup, and that trade fired off and did produce targets 1 and targets 2 to the downside for 6 ticks. The market actually opened up right around 91, and we were coming off of that earlier news announcement. The market continued lower all morning long, and there was actually at 10 o'clock we had more news came out, and I'm not showing it here, but there was an opportunity in our room. We had some folks that got short right here after this 10 o'clock news. There's a little reaction here, a little signal, but it's not an official signal per our trading plan. It was the move up, or the sideways move, was not quite enough to get us a reset, but nonetheless there was an opportunity in that news to get in, and there was an opportunity to really ride this to the downside. Finally went down, found a long-term support level here. If you go back and take a look at some of your longer-term charts, you'll see on a 60-minute chart per se that we came off of this level, and the market started moving quick. We actually got a signal to get long right above our moving average, hit target 1 and targets 2 to the upside, and the market really continued higher for the rest part of the up until the lunchtime dead zone. You can see right here at the 10:45 confirmation time, they made a higher high from where they were. It came down, gave us a signal short. If you took the signal, you got a full stop out. That should say T0. I'm sorry about that. It says T1. It's supposed to say T0 minus 14. Got a full stop out on that particular move as the market continued higher, and really went up into the previous day's lows there. It went up and retested that, and then started trading to the downside again. Now, again, we do not take any setups during the lunchtime dead zone. This between 11:30 and 1:15, we just kind of sit on our hands, and you can see coming out of lunch, we actually had a new signal to get long, and right at our 1:15 starting time, we had a signal, produced targets 1 and targets 2 to the upside for 7 ticks, as the market made it all the way up towards its that overnight low level, and then stalled out there for a minute, started trading sideways slightly to the downside. There was actually a signal in here during this chop to get short. First contract we got off, got stopped out on the second for a T1 minus 2. After that stop out, we got a signal to get long. That did produce targets 1 and targets 2 right before the 2:30 reversal time for 6 ticks to the upside, and then the market basically found some resistance, traded down, and again I want to point you to your longer term charts. Can't show it on this chart as well, but you can see we hit some key swings throughout the day, and there was actually a setup that came in here after the dead zone that continued to work to the downside, but we don't trade after 3 o'clock. So all in all for today, good day. 6 trades, 10 ES ticks. We got stopped out of that one full position there that kind of hurt our profitability factor a bit, but nonetheless, you will have stop outs when it comes to trading. There's no such thing as a holy grail, and stops are part of the business, and even with our stops, we still had a nice day today. So I want to thank you for watching. For more details on this plan, including all the chart setups, or to join our live trading room video newsletter, please visit EminiJunkie.com, or simply click the link at the top of the screen. Thanks, and make it a great day.